2 days ago, I tried to make pizza dough. As you can see, this is not edible and it's gonna go to trash. So today it's my second attempt to make pizza dough, and this time I'm going old school. No online recipe. I'm using Italian cookbook from Rosetta Constantino, and I got this from my bestie, and that's what I'll be doing. So finger crossed this works. So I need to start with flour. So I have 600 grams flour, all-purpose flour. So we're gonna put in the middle of my bowl. Then we need 1 tablespoon, I think tablespoon, teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Let's go. And we are supposed to mix this really well. In the meantime, we need 1.5 cup of water, and it's supposed to be like 105 to 110 degrees. I hope that's the temperature. I don't have a, actually I do have a thermometer, but I cannot find it. We need 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. So that's what I'm doing. A little more. Okay. The recipe said make it soft and then stir it a little bit. So, and for 2 minutes needs to sit in this bowl. Then we need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm using the one I got from my bestie again. And this method works because this is really good brand, and I don't want to waste my olive oil. So we're gonna need like 3 tablespoons, but first I'm gonna wait for this yeast to work, and then we're gonna start mixing things. Okay, I hope this is ready. I'm gonna put flour here with salt, and I think I need to add this thing here and then olive oil. So I'm gonna do this slowly. Okay. All right, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we need more for coating. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this together for like 5 minutes, and then another 5 minutes when I take this out on a clean surface. So if this is gonna work, I'm gonna be so freaking happy. Okay, not bad. It's been 5 minutes since I started working on this, and already looks so nice. Like, I'm very impressed with myself, seriously. But now we have to do this for another 5 minutes. I need a little bit of flour, not too much. I said not too much, just a little. So that's what I'm doing. I'm following the recipe to a T. Okay, another 5 minutes for me. 5 minutes is up, and look at this. I think this looks actually good. It feels good. So now we just need to put some oil in my bowl. I'm using the same one. And we're gonna brush it. I'm gonna put it like this and then flip it. So this is nicely covered with olive oil on both sides. I'm gonna cover this now, and I'm gonna sit this in a warm place for like 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours are up. I'm gonna see. It looks like it actually doubled or maybe even tripled in size. And oh my gosh, guys, I think we might have pizza today. Oh my gosh, it smells incredible. Since I have so much of this dough and it looks so beautiful, I decided I'll be making 2 pizzas. Instead of 1 big, I'll be making 2 smaller ones. So I have my baking dishes prepared already with some flour. The recipe says make a ball out of it and put it on a floured surface, and then put flour on top and cover with something for another 2 hours. So I'll be making 2 balls and see. Oh, this is so soft. I think I have to remove the bubble. Like, oh gosh, this feels so good. So I think I'm gonna divide this in half. One is down. Nice. Now we're gonna cover this for like 2 hours again for the second rise. And then we can actually put some toppings and bake our pizza. So it's Merry Christmas here. Dough number 1, hold on. Holy moly, look at this. This is giant. Honestly, I can make like 2 pizzas out of it. This one as well. Okay, so listen, I'm gonna use the bigger one. I'm gonna cut it in half and I'm gonna make 2 big pizzas because I want thin crust pizzas. And this one, I will leave it for later, for something else. It's actually very stretchable, so that's good. Okay, so that's the best I could do. This is pizza number 1. I'm gonna do it with cheese and pepperoni. That's for my daughter. And I made sauce 2 days ago. It's handmade. Now I'm gonna put some cheese and I'm using Italian style blend. I'm not sure this is good, but that's what I have. I'm gonna sprinkle this with some oregano. And now pepperoni. And this one will go to the oven for, oh no, hold on. I need to put some olive oil on the edges. So, and this is gonna go to the oven. And let's hope this is edible. Let's put some toppings on the number 2. So we're gonna start with sauce again. Now I'm gonna put some basil right here. Cheese. I'm using mozzarella this time. Pepperoni, old-fashioned ham of the bone. Mushroom, red bell peppers, red onion. And now I have basil leaves soaked in olive oil. So I'm gonna put them on top. Hopefully they don't burn. If they burn, I'm gonna remove them. And this is going to the oven. Look at this beauty, and I'll be back when this is ready. I actually made a 3rd one, so this is gonna go to the oven soon. I think the pepperoni one is almost ready. The pepperoni one is out and it's a disaster. Like, everything burned. Like, the pepperoni burned and I think cheese. I'm gonna taste it anyway. So, nothing else to do. Ouch. Okay, so it's thin crust. It's baked inside. Let's see how it tastes like. The crust is too hard. Actually, I burned my mouth. But you know what? It tastes pretty good. So, I cannot wait for the other one. We'll see. How it tastes like, but this one is not bad. Let me try the crust. Too crunchy, but it's good. So I'm gonna finish this one and I'm gonna wait for the rest. Pizza number 2 is ready for tasting, and pizza number 1 is being tasted by Leah and her friend Lila. So what do you think?
It's super good.
Super good.
I ate a piece already. Delicious.
Okay, Lila is tasting with me. Ready,
Yes.
set, go. Oh wow.
I like the seasoning on that. It's good.
It's really good. The crust, of course, it's not very nice looking and it's too hard in my opinion, but I'm working on it. But pizza is really good. Oh,
Really good. 10 out of 10.
So good. Pizza number 3 is coming. So this is how it looks underneath. It's baked inside. Let's take a bite. It tastes actually really good. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong regarding this part of the crust, but you know what? This is my 2nd time trying, so I think maybe after the 10th time it's gonna be much better. So to me, this is almost dish delish. I still have to work on that. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more recipes and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.